Hey friends, DD cookies stand for double thick double chocolate chip cookies. It's my creation. I'm happy to share and I make it short so you can start baking and enjoy them soon. By the way, thanks for watching. Let's start with preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We then melt 1 stick of unsalted butter, which will make half cup, in microwave for about a minute. Next, we put all the good stuff in a mixing bowl. The extra egg yolk helps to keep the cookies away from being dry because of the cocoa powder. Now make sure you know the written recipe is in the comment section and also in the description. Here's a tip. If you're using a cheap handheld mixer like I am, manually mixing them a bit before running the machine can help to reduce the flour from splashing and flying everywhere. Beat for just about 30 seconds on medium speed. Now we add in all-purpose flour, baking soda, and baking powder. No need to sieve or premix them separately, just my lazy style. Beat for just a minute. Finally, our chocolate chips. For this recipe, we want to use dark chocolate chips. That creates more depth of chocolate flavors in our cookies. Make sure to scrape, mixing the side and the bottom. Now I'm making 20 cookies and each of them gonna be thick. I'm using a number 30 cookie scoop, which is a 2 tablespoon scoop, but we overfill it so it's almost a 3 tablespoons. Now we bake in preheated oven for 11 to 12 minutes. Timing is sensitive. 1 minute can really make a difference. But just remember, undercooked makes softer, moister cookies, while overcooked create drier, crunchier cookies. For this recipe, I like to have it a tad undercooked or just right so that we can have a soft, moister, gooey with chocolate inside. Let them stay on the sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack. Let cool down for another 5 minutes, and I'm sure you know what to do after that. I hope my short video, easy recipe style is enjoyable. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. Support me with like, subscribe, comment if you can. Thanks so much again for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye bye.